What's good, everybody? It is Sully, and we don't have a new Sundays with Sully for you this week. Why? Well, it's the holidays, guys. We're rolling right up into it, and even I need to take a break every once in a while. So we don't have any content for you this week, and next week I don't have anything either because I'm going to be a slacker, and I'm just going to kind of kick back a little bit. And then rolling right into the New Year's, guys, we do have the New England Boat Show that is happening January 7th through the 11th. New date this year, guys, right after Christmas. Make sure to come on down. We have a new location there. We'll have a bunch of video on YouTube and Instagram showing you guys where it is. Make sure to come down and see us. We are also working on a collaboration with Browns for a really cool Zodiac Medline Garmin JL package. We're in the home stretch of getting that all installed, and that will be at the show. Who knows? There'll probably be some other cool stuff there. Maybe we even have some swag and giveaway if you stop in and see us at the New England show. That's really about it, guys. That's really what we have going on. It's kind of choose your own adventure over the next 2 weeks. Hopefully you got all the tech goodies coming to you from Santa or whomever this holiday season. But if not, we're here for you guys. Let's get your boat taken care of. Reach out to us, sales@navtronics.com. We'd love to talk to you, love to get you set up. We still have a few remaining slots open for the 2026 calendar before we start rolling into spring. I can't believe we're already talking about that, guys. So, that is this week's Sundays with Sully. Going to be a little bit of a slacker. We'll see you guys next year. We've got a whole bunch of cool stuff. We've got FLIR M460. What's that? Hit that like and subscribe. We'll tell you. We're also going to be talking about Dura-Brite lights. And I think we've also got Omni Sonar. We got a lot of stuff coming down the pipeline. And as always, if there's something you want to see me cover or talk about, leave it down below in the comments, and we'll do our damnedest to make sure we get you the coverage you want on it. So, we'll see you guys next year. Peace.